Okay. What'd you make?
So, we didn't have a trash can out here. We were just trying to decide where we were going to put a trash can. And we thought about a whole bunch of places, and we finally came up with here. But we didn't want an actual one that came out so much to where when you walked out the door, you just see a big trash can. We created this little mechanism to where you walked outside with your bag, and then you set your grilling stuff over there, and then you take your bag, and then in here there's little slots that go in, and then there's a little circle to keep it in there. So you just slide that in there, and then it holds it, and then on the other side do the same thing. Slide that in there, and if you don't like it that loose, just pull it a little bit this way, and it's tighter. Throw your stuff away while you're grilling over here, and then you just toss your stuff in the thing.
And so, how did you design it?
I went on Tinkercad, and we originally started with a V to just slide it in, but it kept flying out. So we decided, okay, well, let's do a smaller model. We did that one. We had a little bit of a mess up print. This still didn't work. So we're like, okay. And then my dad came up with a little key idea. So, like key slot idea. So then we came up with this one. No, this one. Which I did, which has the top cover that you can glue on. It goes down and into the circle right here.
Right.
But we decided that we wanted to make it stronger and smaller and to minimize this circle. So we shortened it. Came out with something like this.
Right.
And this one worked pretty well.
So that one has the
corners that we made
to make it stronger. That's right. And then we made it a little bit smaller.
Made it really much smaller, and then we painted it, and then we caulked it to the side of our brick.
Yeah, we used silicone caulk, and then just glued them on there, and they're pretty sturdy.
And so when the bag's not on, you can't even see it when you walk out because they're kind of the same color as the brick. So how many iterations, how many different designs did you do?
5.
No, I think, remember the file name? I think we were up to like
11.
11 or 12, yeah. But you did them all yourself on Tinkercad? Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Good. Proud of you, bud.